Changing the email link to your Zelle account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the gear icon or the menu option. This is usually found in the upper corner of the app. Step 3. Select email preferences. In account settings, look for the option labeled Email Preferences or Manage Email. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos before saving the changes. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to confirm the change through a verification email sent to your new address. Follow the instructions in the email to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can easily change the email link to your Zelle account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle support for further assistance.